Hey, what's up, YouTube? O'Neal Adventures back out here. For those of you new to the channel, thank you for subscribing and joining in. What you're gonna find on this channel is we're gonna be doing some hunting, some fishing, a lot of different things outdoors, and we're gonna do it with high integrity, representing our Christian faith. So that's a promise that we can make. So this evening I'm out here back on these docks. We're gonna be shooting these docks. It's evening time, so I'm trying to get into this evening bite. So I just made it out here. It's probably about 5:30, and I'm about to see what I can do. I should be able to get into some bigger fish. That's my hope, that's my plan. And along the way, I'm gonna explain the history around these docks and how long I've been fishing them. And I'm gonna try to fish this spot that I actually sunk a man-made tree made of PVC on this dock. And I'm gonna try to find it tonight and see if there's some big fish on there. It's been like 8 years, so it should be all algae ridden, bait fish hanging out there. So hopefully I can find it, get some good video, and see what we can do. O'Neal Adventures back out here on the lake, and it's about to be a great day. Thank you, Lord. Stay tuned, keep following us. All right, I'm back out here. I'm throwing some minnows out here. So far, still small fish, but I'm hoping as it gets a little later into the evening, Big Mama and Big Daddy gonna flow through here. So I started doing this first. With the sun setting over there to my left, you probably can't see my bobber out there, but I've already caught a few small fish. But I'm out here for a reason, to catch that evening bite. So I haven't even gotten out of this boat, but I'm gonna get us about 5 more minutes. See if I can catch a decent one to be the first to go into the live well, fishing with some of that live bait. See that bobber rig? Like it a lot. Trying to get 2 poles out there, but I don't really want to if these small fish still bite. So that sun's to my left, so I gotta have that hat on. You know, I got that bald head, right? So like I said, I've been out here for about 5 minutes. Sun's starting to go down a little bit, but it's beautiful. Another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. So what I'm predicting is, as the sun starts to go down, that evening bite, and bait fish start to move in here, the bigger fish are gonna come in. So that's my hope, that's my plan. And we'll see how it pans out. Thanks for following along. Got my little rig, got my bucket. Right now, I got 0 in the live well. Nothing. But guess what? That's gonna change. O'Neal Adventures, thanks again for watching, hanging out. Thanks for all the new subscribers. Cam, thanks for subscribing and liking the fishing video. Been following you, watching your videos for a couple years now, so thanks for supporting that newcomer. All right, stay tuned. All right, so again, I'm out here on this evening bite. It may be about 5:45, I'm not sure. But so far, I was throwing some minnows out. Not really catching, again, small fish, so I'm about to do some jigging. All right, so trying to get into an evening pattern. And let's see if I can get into some bigger fish. That's the goal. what I'm gonna do is just gonna drop this little minnow out here. Again, shooting these docks. I'm gonna give this one last try, see what happens. Then I'm gonna put this jig on them. I know that's gonna produce. I'm good. You?
I'll say.
Huh?
Very well.
You good? All right. So again, my technique on these docks is vertical jigging. So I'm gonna do a little bit more of that, and I'm gonna do some casting. Hope to show y'all some nicer fish on these docks. Oh, there goes one. Let's see if I can get a nice one. Nope. He hit it. See if he took my minnow. Yeah. Nope, he didn't take it. Alright, let's see what we got. Throwing it right next to that boat over there. Y'all should be able to see that maybe. If not, you'll see that fish when I get it. Supposed to have a visitor joining me. Now he's in jiu-jitsu practice. He's supposed to pick me up. See if he can help feel the live well. I got my bucket ready. Got my bucket ready. And that's how we about to do it. On that evening bite. I got about 6 or 7 spots right here. I'm going to 6 or 7 spots here. I'm gonna work. Here's how you know you need to put on another jig. See that jig right there? Yeah, there it is. Every hit, they're just tearing it down, pulling it down. So I'm gonna put a new one on because I got plenty. Always come prepared. All right, so I'm gonna stick with this black, red, and chartreuse. How I do my jigs, put it right through the top and just thread it down. I usually have my hook in the tail going in the opposite direction. Slide it on there. Okay, and the other pro tip, is I always have my line going back this way. So when that jig's floating, it's gonna float like that. Now watch me catch a fish. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Get my singing skills out. That's my family if I can sing. They gonna tell you no. And I know different. So I'm seeing fish starting to move in here, as I kind of expected. Started to see them pop on the top of the water and all that. Again, I'm looking for bigger fish tonight. All right, so y'all stay tuned. Once I get into a nice little batch, I'll bring y'all back. Yeah, and then stay tuned for this secret spot that I planted a while ago. So, uh-oh, you getting a bite. Yep, getting a bite right there. Give me something nice, boys. Something nice. Pop it real quick. All right, so, yeah, missed talking to you. Where another spot that I want to go and fish is clear across the lake. But I need to get this boat out and get a little more comfortable with it before I try that. Not saying I'm scared or anything. Y'all stay tuned, I'll be back. All right, y'all, look. See if I can show you how these bait fish, it's about 6:30. If you can see the little ripples on the water, it's those bait fish now moving in here. See it right out there? See these little bubbles? Okay, bait fish and then crappie are, you know, swimming to the top to eat those bait fish. You can see it down here. All right, so that's all right, so listen, I'm back. It's getting a little later now. Just been catching some smaller fish, but fish nevertheless. Got a few in there. I've changed up a little bit. Now I'm casting, and I'm tipping my jig. Tipping my jig with a minnow. Tipping my jig with a minnow. All right. So I'm just gonna cast it and retrieve it now. Right alongside these boat docks. See what I can get. Calling quick?
Best,
huh?
best thing I ever bought was this thing with battery.
Oh yeah.
And I'd carry a 1 or 2 up here.
That's smart. See if I can pull one in with this tipping this jig. Minnow. Basically casting and retrieving. Letting it drop down about 15, count of 15, then I'm gonna reel it in. So this is gonna be my second cast. Along that boat. Right along that boat there. And I'm just gonna slowly reel it back in. Try to see how I catch it. Show you the end result. How I set this hook. I got my drag set really light. These crappies have paper mouths. You don't want to yank it out of their mouth. There it is. Hear that? Okay, here we go. Decent one, decent one, decent one. Decent fish right here. Decent fish. Tipping it with a minnow. Tipping it with a minnow. Okay, that evening bite right there. There it is. Okay, boom. Decent fish. Enough to get a fillet. Enough to get a fillet. All right, that's what I said. That evening bite, the fish are gonna be a little bigger. So let me try to keep getting it. Decent fish. Decent fish. Just as I predicted. Evening bite. Evening bite brings a little better fish. I'll get a fillet off of him. See if I can get a few more before it gets too dark. I'm actually not getting too dark. Pull something in. Yep. Little baby though. Throw him back. Little baby. Again, tipping my jig with a minnow. That's seeming like it's working a little bit. Sun's gone down. It's getting late in the evening. I'll probably stay out here another 30 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna head back in. So far, it's all right. Been all right. Just all right though. But a day on the lake beats a day inside the house any day. Ain't that right? All right. One sec. Take care now. All right, y'all. It's gotten late. I got this little putter boat. So my boy is over there at the docks, should be ready to pick me up. All right, YouTube, just finished my day on the lake. My boy came and picked me up. It was a little too dark to video anything else, so I had a pretty good day. Didn't catch a lot of fish, but had fun. Had fun being out there on the water in the Lord's creation. So see y'all next time on the next video. I think we'll have a little bit of competition to see who's the best fisherman. So stay tuned for that video. Again, thanks for watching. All you new subscribers, thanks for joining the channel. Like, subscribe, give me a comment, let me know how you liking what we're doing. But until then, stay tuned.